Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted a prestige two-way pager system to a brand new 2019 A-Class. Customer was a bit worried about people looking inside, going close to it or hitting it, so we fitted this sophisticated bit of kit. How it basically works is when the customer leaves the vehicle, lock it in the normal way, activate his system and then arm it with ours. You'll get one bleep, one flash, a red light will come on and the vehicle will be protected on doors, on impact and a pre-warn if someone goes close. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go close to the vehicle and you're going to see it pre-warn. When it pre-warns, the siren will chirp and it will send back a pre-warn alert to the two-way pager, which is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, this also has the impact sensor. So now I'm going to apply force to the vehicle. When I apply force to the vehicle, the alarm is going to go into full trigger and send me an alert back to the two-way pager. And I'll show you that now also. There you go. If I hit the pager once, it will stop the siren. Hit it again, disarm the system, and it will give us a report back on the display where it'll be flashing with a hammer. Also, if we lock it and then someone manages to clone the Mercedes key, as soon as they go to unlock it and open the door, the alarm will trigger. There you go, and we get an alert, full alarm, door entry. Very sophisticated bit of kit. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.